We're looking at phrasal verbs and idioms. And be prepared, number 6 is going to make your head spin. First up we have to spill the beans. This means that you have a secret, somebody has told you a secret, and they've told you not to tell anybody else. And accidentally you say it, and now everybody knows. It means you spill the beans. Our idiom here is face the music. Now again, AI is very confused, so let me explain it. I have a video to show you. Face the music, it means that you have a tense, high-pressure situation, perhaps with negative consequences, but you have to be brave and you have to face the music. So it means you have to go and see what is going to happen. You can't run away from it. Over here we have a nice visualization of barking up the wrong tree. If you are barking up the wrong tree, it means you are incorrect in what you are doing. As the dog is barking up the wrong tree and the cat is in the other tree. Out of the blue. This is an idiom. It means something that happens completely unexpectedly. As with our visual, a beautiful day, and then out of the blue, lightning strikes. This is why I laugh at AI sometimes, because this expression here, or idiom, is to be on the ball. And on the ball means that you're able to multitask, you're incredibly efficient, and able to coordinate many different things at the same time successfully. It does not mean that you have a ball on your foot. Our next idiom here is burning the midnight oil, or to burn the midnight oil. That means to work late into the night to try and complete something. Could be studying or completing a work project. Sometimes we need to burn the midnight oil. This one here is a phrasal verb, to wind up. So wind up gets very exciting. Depending how you use wind up, it can have 5 different meanings. That's correct, you heard right. 5 different ways. So you have to be sure of the context so that you can use wind up correctly. So here are the primary ways the phrase is used. First of all, it's to end up or arrive somewhere. So as you might know, end up is also a phrasal verb. It's to finally be in a certain place or state or situation, especially after a series of events. If you are careless with your money, you could wind up in debt. To finish or conclude is to bring an activity, meeting, or event to a close. For example, like in the picture we saw, let's wind up the meeting so we can get back to work. It can also mean to tease or annoy someone, so to deliberately provoke them to get a response. For example, stop winding me up. Are you serious? To prepare a mechanism. So if you need to tighten the spring of a mechanical device, like a clock or a toy, sometimes we have wind-up toys, or wind-up watch, wind-up clock, and we need to turn a key or a knob to get it to function properly. For example, he had to wind up the old clock every Saturday night. And to prepare for a throw in baseball, you will see the pitcher in baseball who makes that winding motion with his arms, so it goes around. He is winding up the energy, the force, to throw that pitch. Again, AI has excelled here. So on that note too, be careful when you learn with AI. It does make mistakes. It really does. Here we have another phrasal verb and idiom, to run out of time. So to run out, the phrasal verb is to deplete something. It becomes less and less until you have none left. And to run out of time could mean you're just very busy trying to get so many things done in a day. There's only 24 hours in a day, they say. And if you run out of time, it means you couldn't complete everything that you wanted to do. You can also run out of something physical. You could run out of coffee. You could run out of sugar, run out of milk. But the same way you could run out of time, run out of money, run out of patience. So I hope this lesson was like a lightning strike for you, and that you are feeling invigorated and ready to continue learning English. Let me know in the comments what you thought about Wind Up. Hit subscribe, and a like would be great, and we'll see you next time.